Guys, I'm Rita, and this is Breeze TV. Excuse the way I'm dressed. I thought I would introduce myself and my channel to you while I'm doing some planting. I got some exciting news, so I thought while I'm planting some seeds, I would tell y'all. Also got a fever blister there. Y'all probably can't notice it, but I dadgum sure can. It's all I see when I look at myself. So overlook that, but I'm gonna go ahead and plant me some vegetables right now in this first row. And y'all might see my chickens behind me, or hear them. I have 9 or 8 chickens, and they're all hens, and they roam around my yard during the day. I let them free range, and then I'll walk them back to their pen. And so on my channel, you might see some of my chicken dogs. That's what I call them, chicken dogs. But I'm gonna plant some veggies today, some cucumbers, some tomatoes, dill, basil, some mixed peppers, bell peppers, and some squash. And I've also got some chives and then I got a bunch of flowers, but I'm gonna start out with my vegetables. But what I wanted to talk to y'all about was this. I'm so excited. Have you ever watched a YouTube channel that you really just fell in love with certain people that's on it? I don't mean, you know, romantically love. I mean, you just couldn't help but fall in love with it. Well, I've been following this channel. It's called the Liam Blair Slog. And look up slog if you're not sure what it means. My daughter looked it up for me and told me what it meant, and it was perfect for their channel. But what they do is basically people are looking for their family, and these are all the ones most of them's over in Asia, Philippines, Korea, places like that, and they're looking for their parents. Because, you know, military guys went over there and dallied a little bit, and women got pregnant, and the men didn't know about it. So anyway, I've been following this Liam Blair slog, and I'm telling you, I fell in love with this little 25-year-old that's in there. He's never had a dad. They found his dad, which he hasn't met yet. You'll have to go to their story and listen to it. But anyway, I just fell in love with him. And they found three brothers and a sister. The first one they found was the sister. Her name is Kenneth. And I just love her, Kenneth Cochran. I just love her. I love the whole family. I love Leah and Blair. Blair is an Australian, and he's married to Leah. She's a Filipino. So anyway, I was watching one of the videos one time, and there was Albert talking about he was in this little small town, and he named it. And I thought, no way, because that's my hometown. Yeah, that freaked me out, y'all. And so I went on the comments, and I said, there's no way that you're in this small town. And I said, Kenneth has to be there, because there's military bases there. Two of them right there, not far from each other. And so he comes back and he says, you are correct. Well, I fell out of my chair, because let me tell you, when I was growing up there, it was a small town. Still a small town, just crowded as heck, because as everything, it's gotten more people in it. Well, let me tell you, I commented on there to Kenneth. Me and her got to talking, and she has a YouTube channel now. It's Connect C, or Connect Cochran at Connect C. And so me and her got to talking, and I went to a birthday party this Saturday, and I fell in love with her and her family. And I'm having her on. I'm doing a video this week. I couldn't last week because her oldest daughter was turning 18, so that's a milestone, you know, people, a milestone for people. And so we're going to do a video this week, and I'm going to post it. But she's going to kind of tell you her story, and I'm just so excited about it. I just love the idea that, you know, that me and her have connected. Who would ever thought? I personally think it was the Lord put me there at that time. I don't know. Some people might not believe that, but I do. I believe that the Lord put certain people in certain places at the right time, where they're needed and what they need. So I believe that my new friend Connect was brought to me by the Lord. And Albert, that little boy, I love him. He is just the sweetest thing. And his personality is what I fell in love with. But y'all, as I sat here, or stand here, I'm not sitting, as I stand here and plant my seeds, I'm planting cucumbers right now. I put about 3 seeds in each one of these because you never know what's going to come up and what don't. And so, you know, not only will I do that because I'll forget what I plant. I have some of these popcorn sticks. I also use them to poke a hole in there for the seeds. But I'll write down what it is. And like I said, this is cucumbers. And I'll just poke it in there so that I'll know what it is when it starts growing, because, you know, when you plant this many and you got flowers going too, you don't know what you're planting. But y'all, I hope and pray that y'all follow me. There's so much I want to do. I'm not sure where my channel's going. But I'm leaving that to the Lord to lead me and guide me on that. I do a cooking show on Facebook, but truthfully, I haven't cooked in a couple years on Facebook. You know, I'm older now, and my husband and I don't eat as much, and so it's hard to get in there and cook anymore. However, I will be doing some cooking on this show. But I'll be doing some gardening, showing you my chickens, and mostly just hanging out with y'all. Y'all, it's a blessing for anybody that gets on here and views my video. And when you do, hit the like button if you enjoyed listening to me gab. And, you know, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. And let me, you know, get some subscriptions going here. I need all the help I can get. But I think whatever I do choose to do, y'all enjoy it. And why do I say that? Because I'll be a jabbering my mouth off while I'm showing y'all my chickens, or showing y'all some tasty recipe. But there is going to be some cooking, maybe grilling. But right now, I'm doing this series on Connect and her brothers. And I'm hoping to do a series. But right now, I'm going to get Connect, her and I are going to get together this week and do a video, like I said, and I'll be posting it. And I know some of y'all out there that's watching this follow Connect. So I know that she'll recommend my channel to you. But we're trying, they're trying to get up to meet in the Philippines, because you know they just all found out about them. That is such an awesome story. And I do want to continue telling you about Albert's story, and maybe possibly do a reaction video with y'all, so y'all can see how blessed I was to have come up and met with Connect. Y'all gonna love her, the ones that hadn't had a chance to see her. But y'all follow Leah and the Liam Blair slog right here on YouTube, and follow Albert's story. There's 13 parts to that story, and there's stories of others that's met up with their loved ones and stuff. Some of them wasn't able to. But y'all, I'm not gonna stay on here forever, because I'm just doing an introductory to my channel, Breeze TV, here on YouTube. You can also follow me at Cooking in the Breeze with Rita on Facebook. And please hit that like button and share this video if you enjoyed it. We might do some of these plantings. If you want to know how to plant something, I've mixed up my own little dirt here to plant my seeds in. They don't put enough stuff in their potting soils they sell these days. But anyway, I'm looking forward to talking to each and every one of you. If there's any ideas on what you might want to see, let me know. I will tell you right now that my intentions is to record and video every day. But as other YouTubers will tell you, that's not always possible. At my age, there's days that I don't feel good. So I'll just won't record those days. But the days that I do, y'all be watching. Hit that notification too. And hit all on that notification. That way you will get all my notifications to let you know when I'm on here. Alright, y'all, I'm looking forward to becoming friends with y'all. Y'all hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Also that notification. And I'll talk to you again soon, you hear? I got a lot of plants to get going here. But I wanted to tell you about my channel. Please follow me. I'm looking forward to having you as my new friend. You have a great day. God bless now.